Stop getting hung up on 5 HR cold calling scripts for recruiters. Welcome back. Is cold calling dead? No, most recruiters are just doing it wrong. In 2026, candidates are hyperprotective of their time. If you sound like a telemarketer, you've already lost. In this video, we break down how to master the warm cold call, bypass gatekeepers, and use scripts that actually get top-tier talent to listen. Sound familiar? Most recruiters hate cold calling because they're using 2010 scripts in 2026. But here's the secret: the best candidates aren't on job boards. They are busy working, and the only way to reach them is to pick up the phone. Today, I'm giving you the exact scripts and psychological triggers to turn a cold call into a signed offer letter. Section 1. The Research First Opener. In 2026, data is everywhere. Never call someone without knowing at least one win they've had recently. The script: Hi, name, I'm your name. I'll be brief. I saw the project you just launched at current company regarding specific detail. It was impressive enough that I wanted to reach out directly rather than sending another LinkedIn DM lot. Why it works: it's personalized. It proves you aren't a bot and that you value their specific expertise. Section 2. The Permission Pivot. Most recruiters keep talking until they get interrupted. Instead, ask for the time. The script: I know I'm catching you out of the blue. Do you have 90 seconds for me to explain why I called, or should I send an email for you to read later tonight? Why it works: you are giving them control. Most people will give you the 90 seconds because you were respectful enough to ask. Section 3. Focus on the pain, not the job. Don't sell the job description. Sell the solution to their current problem. The script: I'm not looking to move you today, but I'm working with a team that has solved the common industry pain point, example, micromanagement or stagnant tech stacks, that most people at company name are facing right now. I thought it might be worth a 5-minute chat for your future self. Why it works: you aren't asking them to quit their job, you're asking for a chat for their future self. Low pressure, high curiosity. Section 4. Handling the unhappy objection. This is the most common wall you'll hit. Here is how you climb over it. The script: That's great to hear. I only recruit the best, so I'd be worried if you weren't happy. I'd love to stay in your orbit so that when you are ready for that next 10 out of 10 role, you have my direct line. Can I send you my contact info? Why it works: it builds a talent pipeline. You've just turned a no into a not yet. Section 5. The Gatekeeper Bypass. If you're calling a desk line and hit an assistant, don't be a salesperson. Be a peer. The script: Hi, this is your name. I'm looking for candidate name regarding the specific industry project. Is he/she available, or should I try back after their meetings? Why it works: you sound like you belong. Gatekeepers are trained to block vendors, not peers. Conclusion and call to action. Cold calling is a muscle. The first 10 calls will feel awkward, but the 11th could lead to your biggest commission of the year. I've put a 2026 cold call cheat sheet with all these scripts in the description below. Print it out and keep it on your desk. What is the funniest or weirdest thing someone has said to you when you cold called them? Let's hear your horror stories in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe for more high performance recruiting tactics. Now, get back on the forts.